What's up, guys? I'm all packed up, ready to rock and roll. It's rough out there again. I think I'm gonna rename this lake Whitecap Lake. I just think there's just a wind tunnel that goes through this little corridor here, and it's just always windy. So I'm gonna have to be really careful. I'm not gonna go straight through the biggest area of the lake this time, because I do have a full pack boat here. So I'm just gonna hug the shoreline south all the way down to the portage, and then hopefully it'll be smooth sailing. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'll probably get back with you guys when I'm at the portage. So wish me luck. Oh, she's a rough one, bud. I'm trying to stick to the shoreline here. Thankfully the waves are coming from my back. But yeah, these waves are decently sized. It's just enough where in a little pack canoe you gotta be completely aware of what you're doing. Gotta make sure that the boat is perpendicular to the waves. Said I got a full pack boat right now, so it's critical that I stay perpendicular. Yeah, it's I want to say the wind's even probably worse than yesterday, so just gotta keep my wits about me here. Yeah, if I need to pull off the shore, I will. I'm not going to risk tipping. And yeah, so I'll get back with you guys if I have to pull off the shore, if I make it to the portage. So I'll see you in a sec. Alright guys, I made it. It was a rough ride, to say the least. You can see, yeah, it is not, it's not pretty out there. That's for sure. So I'm definitely glad that's over. I stayed perpendicular to the waves and just paddled as hard as I could, and made sure to keep the canoe centered. It's especially scary when you have a full pack boat and your canoe rides down lower to the water. So you really got to be careful about that. So yeah, now I'm on the portage here to Elbow Lake. Hopefully Elbow Lake's a little more forgiving than Timber here. Timber was not a nice lake. He was mean. That is for sure. He's a mean lake, and definitely have to have your guard up when you're on his lake here, and you got to keep your wits about you. But I definitely won't be coming back to this lake. That's for sure. I don't know if it's just because it's just windy, or if this is just how it is. I want to say this is just how it is, but yeah. So I'm gonna get this portage done here. It's a 45 rod portage, and I'll get back to you guys once I find camp, and hopefully Elbow is a little more calm and less windy, so I can do some fishing today. So. Alright guys, I'm going to bust out this portage. I'll see you in a bit. Wow. It's like night and day going from Timber Lake to Elbow. This lake, yeah, it's a little windy over here, but I mean, the water's like glass compared to Timber Lake. Holy buckets, that was rough. But yeah, it's gonna be a good lake to be on, I think. It's man, this is so beautiful out here. So yeah, so now that I'm on Elbow, I'm gonna get to my campsite, and I gotta filter some water. And I'm gonna have a little snack, and then I'm gonna get out and do some fishing. This lake looks like you could have some good fish here. So yeah, I'm just so happy to be off of Timber Lake. I'm starting to think that I was right, that I think that lake is just always just rough like that. And I think maybe there's a reason why they only have one campsite on that lake, and it's just probably for emergency or something. But yeah, if I ever do this loop again, I'm just gonna go right through that lake and not camp and just come in here to Elbow, because that lake was rough. So I'll get back to you guys once I get to the next campsite. Alright guys, made it to the campsite. It is super cool. So it's on this big rocky ledge here. Got the canoe right there, my pack. Then you walk up here. Look at that. Cool little fire pit. I mean, look at this. Look at the view. Oh my God. That is amazing. Over here, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, got the picnic table. Nice flat spot for the tent. Ooh, there's a nice little shaded spot over here. I think I might put my tent on the shaded spot here. Wow. This is an awesome campsite. Way better than the last one, that's for sure. So, alright guys, I'm going to get all my gear unpacked and eat some food. And I'll get back with you when I'm ready to go fishing. So, I'm just happy that portage went smoothly and I was able to find an awesome campsite. That's just so cool. Huge trees. Alright, cool. I'll see you guys in a bit. I got it, boys and girls. Oh, baby. Come to Papa. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, it's a beauty. Oh, it's a beauty pike. Oh, it's a beauty. Get in my boat. Get in my boat. Oh! I lost it. Hey guys. Yeah. So not only did I lose them that first time that you guys saw, probably like within 2-3 minutes after that, I hooked him again, and I think it was the same pike. And I don't know if I'm just hooking him just barely on his lip or what, but every time he just jumps up out of the water, shakes vigorously, and is able to get free. So I don't know what my plan of action here is. I think I'm gonna have to get him get all tired out here. Oh look, there's a float plane. I don't know if you guys can see him. Look at that, isn't that sweet? Wow. Oh, he's making his round. I wonder if he's landing on this lake or not. Oh, he's coming back around. Huh. Yeah, this is like the third time he's passed by me. I don't know if he's, I don't know what he's doing. He's just, Having fun or what? But yeah, anyway, so yeah, this guy's a smart little bugger. So that's encouraging. It's very encouraging. I did notice a bunch of little minnows around my little landing area here. So there are fish right here. So it's really it's uplifting. Earlier I went around the whole lake and was trolling and casting and trying different lures, and I wasn't getting a single bite. So it's really cool that just right outside my little landing area, there's at least one little bugger pike. I'm gonna get that guy though. I'm getting that guy. So I'm just gonna kind of take a little break here. I might switch lures. I might not. They're really liking this. Well, I think it's just the one dude, but he's really liking this diver. Yeah, this guy. I've found that out here they really like that purple, beigeish brown, and that yellow, and a little bit of pink on the belly there. I found that color scheme works really well. Well, at least from past trips, and now from this trip too. Oh, he's landing. No way. That's super cool, man. Wow. Wonder what he's doing. Wonder if he's just hanging out or what. That is super cool. I wasn't expecting this. That's for sure. Wonder if we'll get to see him take off. That's super cool. Well, I'll get back to you if I see this guy about to take off. That'd be pretty sweet to see. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get that pike. That's for sure. But at the same time, it's very encouraging that there's a pike around right here. So, all right, guys, I'll check back in with you.
I don't know if you guys can see that plane out there. It's a float plane. It's the same one that we saw land earlier. I think he's gonna be taking off here. So we'll see. I really want to get this. I think float planes are so awesome. If I could be like a bush pilot, that's like one of my dreams. It'd be so cool. Looks like he's rearing up the engines. Looks like he's doing some flight checks. Oh, he's going the other way. There he goes. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, isn't that awesome? I think float planes are the coolest thing. Did I already say that? Alright guys, well, I'm just having a cup of coffee here. And I'm gonna go out for some more fishing. Yeah, I'm getting that pike, man. I'm getting Peter the Pike. Petey Pike. he's going down. Well, he's not going down. He's going in my stomach. That's where he's going. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my cup of coffee here and read my book. This is the book I was talking about. Yeah, The Final Frontiersman, about Heimelkorth. Like I said, he's been on like The Last Alaskans. I believe that's the show he's been on, and maybe The Last Frontiersman. But one of those two shows. I just know he was on a show on the Discovery or History Channel or something. But yeah, super good book. Totally recommend it. All right, so I'm gonna stop plugging The Final Frontiersman. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just really like the book. So all right, so I'm gonna finish my coffee here real quick. It's about, I want to say 5:30. So I want to get out there once it's starting to, the sun's starting to go down and the fish really get popping here. So I will see you guys when I'm on the canoe. All right.
We got a big one, guys. He's fighting. My new plan of action is to get this guy. I want him for dinner. Oh! He's fighting hard. So what I'm going to try to do is tire it out. This is a big boy. Is a big boy. And I really want this fish. Not fighting. Not fighting anymore. I still got her. So, oh yeah. Oh! So my plan of action I'm going to try and get her on shore here because I don't want to lose it. Woo, she's fighting. I do not want to lose this one. I'm going to try and get her to shore here. Oh yeah, she's fighting. Let's see. Oh, baby. She's fighting. I was close enough to shore where... Oh, man. I was close enough to shore where I felt comfortable coming in. Oh, baby.
Look at that, guys. Nice little eater, Northern Pike. Super excited about this. I think this was the same old Petey the Pike that got away from me 2 times because I caught him out right in front of my camp here. So super happy. now I can say that I didn't get skunked on the trip, so that's always good. And yeah, I'm gonna cut this guy up and fry him up with some North Shore mix, and yeah, have him for dinner. So super cool. All right, guys, so we got Mr. Petey the Pike all filleted up here. So the second fillet is always better, at least for me. So there's the second one, pretty decent size. And then we got the first one, which is in two. But with this, I'm gonna be making it into smaller chunks because my frying pan's super small. So yeah, so just going to bread them up with some North Shore mix, and then fry them up. So let's get to it. Okay, so now that I have them in smaller chunks, I'm just gonna put my oil into my little mini frying pan here. Go. And then just gonna take each little piece. I'm gonna put probably three in here at a time. So like I said, my frying pan's so small, and then I'm just gonna get all these breaded up. Kind of like the old shake and bake. Alright. So those are all breaded up. Now I'm going to put my oil here on the fire. Let that heat up. And then we'll be frying up some fish. Alright, so I think the oil is nice and hot and ready to go. So, put these fillets in there. And let those fry up. Alright, so I just flipped the first two. Flip the last guy here. Oh yeah. Nice and golden brown. So probably, I don't know, another 5-10 minutes on these three. And then I got many more to go. So it's going to kind of be the old eat as you cook kind of deal. So, but yeah, those are looking really, really good. Alright guys, so I think they're done, or at least this round. So, put them on my little fancy pine plate here. go. Let those cool off. Now, for round 2. Ooh, that's hot. That is hot. There we go, round 2. Look at that. Oh man, it just falls apart. So good. So good. Oh. Yeah, the one thing about pike you gotta be worried, or not worried, but careful about are the Y bones. But so good. Success. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna keep eating these amazing fried fish fillets. And I put a tiny bit of Cajun seasoning on it, just a tiny bit. Oh man. Oh man. Look at this. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It just falls apart. Alright, well I'm going to get back to cooking the rest of these, and I'll get back to you guys. Oh. Oh. Alright, I think round 2's done. So, my fancy pine plate here. Woo! She's hot. Come to Papa. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Last round. One, two, and 3. There we go. Super happy with this, guys. Total success. I'm very happy about this. I mean, I went the first 2 days without catching anything, and I was like, man, I better not get skunked on this trip and, you know, bring this North Shore mix for nothing and have to go home with my tail between my legs. And I am so happy about this. And man, fresh pike right out of the lake. Doesn't get much better than that, except for walleye, of course. But man, super good. It was a good eater size, so it's perfect. So success, guys. I am a happy camper right now. Alright guys, the third batch is over with. We're done. I think this might be my best batch. I like them nice and brown like that. So yeah, it was a success. I'm super happy with the fish fry. It's an amazing night. It's like 60 degrees, no wind, the moon's out, the stars are out. This is probably the best night of the trip so far for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna finish these up and relax, sit around the fire, maybe listen to a little bit of music, and then call it a night. Cause I'm getting full off of these pike fillets here. So yeah, awesome day, and I'll get back to you guys once I'm about to head to bed here. Oh, I'm just so happy right now. Alright guys, it's that time of night. I am ready to hit the hay. That after eating that fish, I really really got pooped out. That's for sure. So yeah, overall it was a great day. Started out kind of rough with Timber Lake. I'm just grateful that I was able to get in and out of that lake in one piece. Didn't lose any equipment, didn't tip the canoe, so I'm happy with that. Really happy with Elbow Lake. Of course, you know, the highlight of the day was catching that pike and cooking it up. You know, that was definitely a check off the bucket list. Not that I haven't done that before, but definitely wanted to do that this trip for sure. So yeah, great day. It has got a little chilly tonight, so I'm gonna have to put on the long underwear, but I should be just fine. So yeah, I'm gonna hit the hay here, and I'll get back to you guys in the morning. And tomorrow we're gonna be going to Finger Lake, small little 30 rod portage, so that'll be nice, and we'll do some more fishing and hopefully catch another fish and do another fish dinner. So alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow, and yeah, wish me some warm thoughts. See ya.